So I'm going to give you a little bit of a quick orientation of Dreamweaver and the some of the homework, and so that you can kind of get started on the first assignment. So here I've launched Dreamweaver, and this is for the Mac. You can see what version that I have here. So let's see here. Actually, it's not visible because it just shows up on the other screen. But this is, if I look at it on the pop-up, it's 21.6 on the Mac version. So the first thing you want to do for the first assignment is set up a site for the Bistro files. So you should have downloaded the Bistro files and it will look something like this, where you have it downloaded and you unzip. If you unzipped it, you should have a folder that looks sort of like this, and it's located on your hard drive on your computer. Then you come over to here, you click on Manage Site, either here, or you can click this one here. And since there's nothing defined here, I'm going to say New, and I'm going to call it Bistro. And I'm going to then select where that is located, and I'm going to go to where I have it unzipped, which is here, choose it, and then I'm going to click Save, and then done. So here it's all automatically selected as the site that I'm going to be working with, and you can see now all the files to work with. And if you look at the first assignment, it says from page 27 and on. So you would start way back here on the Bistro site, and hopefully you read through the first couple of pages in this book to get more oriented with Dreamweaver. And then you come through here, kind of explains to unzip the file, set up the site through the Manage Site dialog, which I just did. And then here you can see that it tells you to double click on the index HTML. So here we're going to double click on this file, and then we look at it in either code view, code mode, or we can do it both code and design mode. And so you could pick different kinds of modes to look at this content here. And you sort of just go through these homework items here that are part of the first assignment. And once you are done, you're going to come back over here to this folder. And let's see here. Student files. Okay, and then what you're going to do here is that once these files are getting modified by you, you're going to zip up this file. So on the Mac, you would say compress. It will create a little file with that same folder name. And then there's instructions about how to name this file. So you're going to put your name. So I'm going to put like first name, your last name, and then you're going to, so you replace this with your real first name and last name, and then you're going to upload and submit this zip file for your homework. Okay,